So lots of you out there like watching your, say, adult content. We're all adults here. Well, we should be if we're watching my channel. So remember, if you're watching, make sure you hit that follow button. But as an adult, you like to watch your adult content. A lot of people like to watch their adult content on their big screen TV. They might want to watch it with other people. I don't know what you get up to in your own home. But the annoying thing is, on a Firestick, Fire TV device is there's a few clunky apps which show adult content. Some of them are a bit glitchy. Some are kind of web view but don't work very well. And you don't get the full content you would from the websites. And there's the odd app which works, and it's a bit of a pain. So I'm going to give you a solution. You can access any of those websites you would normally go to on your phone or your PC on your Fire Stick. First thing, hit follow. Obviously, make sure if you're accessing adult content, VPNs are normally a must. You know, they should be a must online anyway, but you don't know what sort of tracking cookies are on these things, and you don't want people knowing what you're doing online, especially if you're looking up something a bit weird. So what you're going to do is go to your magnifying glass, and you're going to search FireSend. Yes, FireSend. You'll get a sticker here in about FireSend. FireSend, click it. FireSend is my new application, but we've added in a decent web browser, but the web browser also has great navigation and video playback and video controls within it for full screen mode. So I pushed an update today, and you can do that now. So if you haven't checked out the FireSend website as well, do so underneath, where you'll read a lot about FireSend. But you can open up the application. In here you have two options. We are going to go via the web browser option. Click here to browse the web. There is actually a few adult apps if anyone wants the adult code, which is ADULT. There's a few adult apps in here. These are your standard sort of Fire Stick adult apps. You can join the room, you can download any of these, they're all in there for you to download. But what we're going to do today is go to the browser, and in here, this is the web browser. You can add any website. You can even save it as a quick tab underneath if you wanted it to. You can type your adult websites in here. I'll type one in. I'll have to blur it out, obviously. Oh, can't spell. Don't know what I would have got then. This is a search bar. You can say it if you want to, you know. Speak, say it, do it. We will search. It will take us to our various areas, like as always, and then you can just click and go in. There's obviously different versions of each one. Click it. I'll have to pixelate this out where we can, and there we go. You are simply on. You can push play on these, and they will play and play through. It's as simple as that. There's different, obviously, sites. I don't know what you will go to, but what I'm trying to say is you can just use this like you would your PC. I'm controlling this with the remote. There's options. You can turn that off as well. You can get up the top bar if you need to by going back to the back of the page. Go back here, you can save it. Or you can use the applications. Simple as that. So get yourself FireSend, get it installed on your device. If you want to know more about FireSend, the website, that is linked underneath for you as well. And what you'll see on here is some suggested rooms. You can become VIP to support the channel as well if you want to, where you get to enter the raffles. That's all linked underneath for you as well, where we're giving all of these away. All you have to do is sign up, get on the mailing list, it's free, and you can enter the raffles for free. Everything on the raffles is free. The VIP is if you want lifetime rooms to store your own apps. So there's a small charge on VIP which supports the project, and that covers the cost of the hosting of those applications or files you want to upload. Okay, because you have big upload files, and that stuff's not free. Trust me, developing this app in general for everybody has cost me a fortune so far. So any little thing here and there is great, but I don't mind. You know, I've done this for the community. That's what it's about. The amount of people keep having digs at me, oh, it's useless, you have to pay to use it. You don't. It's free. You can use it. You can install it free on your Fire Stick, your Android TV. The only thing, if you want to get VIP, which is optional, just to help support the project, or get yourself a lifetime room for your lifetime storage. It's just covering your storage costs. That's pretty much it. So you can enter the raffles for free. You can still use it to transfer files for free. You can get 24-hour rooms, 48-hour rooms, 7-day rooms, all for free. That's all on the page here, so you can see it. Not a problem. All free. All free. All these rooms down here are free. It's only the lifetime one you need to be a VIP for. Simple as that. Brilliant. So if you are interested, check that out. Check it out in the App Store and get it installed.